Hi guys, Tuva here. It is Saturday the 25th of June and a lovely day outside. The moon is still waning and it is in Taurus. So again, you're in that stability, the comfort zone. We'll be feeling quite happy in your own skin, in your own place. So we won't hang about on the moon because we explained it yesterday. Well, we have the tarot and we have the goddess cards again, and I'm going to look at the tarot first. In fact, I'm going to do it the other way around today. I am going to look at the goddess cards first. So I'm going to spread them, take a card. So we go with our left hand here, and when I feel the warmth, that's when I take the card. Feeling it over here, and it's right under here. I'll leave that one there. Let's spread these and let's have another go. And here we go. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. It's there. It's there. Cool. There we go. I'm going to take that out. So we've got both our cards here ready. And I'm going to turn this one over first, which makes a change. Oh, we had this one the other day. Kuan Yin, compassion. I'll read the write-up on it. It says, release judgments about yourself and others. Focus on the love and the light that is within everyone. So it's talking about compassion again and love for others. Let's see that. We'll turn over this one. Oh, and this one is, see that there? The Ace of Pentacles. Okay guys, I'll leave these cards here. Becoming aware of opportunities that would improve your outcomes or your health issues, and realizing that you have everything you actually need. Appreciating what you have also, because sometimes we don't appreciate what we've got. We're always looking to what we can have, but never what we've actually got. But sometimes we need to really see the things we've got are really good and that we should be grateful. Appreciate the ones around us, our partners and our jobs and everything like that. The universe has given these things to you, so receiving the perfect gift at the perfect time also. It's a time really to manifest what your goals are. Funny enough, going on from yesterday. So the things that you really want, manifest it in your life and your finances also, in your career, opportunities of all sorts. Manifestations are not hard to achieve if you put your mind to it and your energies to it. Sometimes we get hypnotized by the things we want that are not so perfect, not really what we need. So you've got to watch out for the imbalance here, guys. You've got to keep your goals firmly in your mind and be prepared to manage your resources, because you need to feel satisfied in your life, and craving things that you can't have is not a good thing. But your spiritual path should influence on how you see the world around you at the moment. It's not all about possessions and finances and things around you. He's saying it's a time of great accumulation and that you have achieved it yourself with what you know how to use, and the universal energy is ready to give. Are you ready to receive? Because at the end of the day is also very important. So be aware of what you actually need and what you don't actually need. Now, prosperity comes in many different ways, guys, and it can be prosperity in your spirituality, not so much in your finances, because we can be rich when we're using our spirituality in our lives, and those around us also will feel that too. When you're happy and you're being catered for, they will be, and so it's all round, it's a good thing. Okay guys, so that's the cards. We're going to look at the Elder Plutarch, which I have done that, and we're going to take a stone or should I say we're going to take a rune. I don't know if you can see that there. Actually, I'm going to hold it like that. Yeah. Kenaz. And that's the rune of fire and the torch that will show you the path. So it's basically showing you enlightenment. Burning, an opening, an ulcer, an injury even, or mental anguish. This can bring through tough things that, you know, you don't necessarily want to be dealing with, because again, it's significant to the torch. But a torch also lights your path, doesn't it? And it dispels the dark shadows of ignorance and stuff that's going on around you. And it will help you also to see, using your spiritual discernment. And it really, it's telling you to learn to understand, to lead the action and be light in the darkness. So it's basically walking forwards, which means you're seeing others through as well, which would be your loved ones. A light in the darkness implies spiritual illumination also, and can represent the natural companionship of those around you at the home, and good health. All nice things. It's not always about the bad things. Yes, it can be a festering wound that needs healing. Yes, it can be not discerning the right way, or a fire in the wrong place. But in the whole, it can represent a doorway, a portal leading from that darkness into light. And it can be also a warning to beware of physical danger. So you've got to take care in case of accidents around your family and you, illnesses, infirmity, and resolve your mental anguish. Again, this rune talks about mental anguish too, because we are all so busy, we all have things we need to be doing, and sometimes it takes a toll on our mental health and can bring through issues that need to be dealt with. And this rune can shine a torch, can shine a light into that, and then once you know what it is it's telling you, you need to get that sorted. So it might be that you need to get your health sorted also. Guys, please take note of that. You are coming into a new understanding of your life and its meaning. You don't have to be complacent. Use this new understanding that this rune is giving you to proceed with your truth and your honesty for those around you as well as yourself. I hope you can get the drift of what I'm trying to say. So let's go on to the witch's rune now and see if it corresponds with that, because it's quite a serious reading today. Let's take that one. Woman. Now, woman can bring in all sorts of things really, and because of the type of reading that this is, the female abilities, the healing side, again to do with health, the healing side of the woman, creative homemaker, the nurturer, the carer, and the healer, but also a woman's abilities, and that can be in the spiritual aspect as well. We all know that woman, this means the womb of creation, but it's also about her spirituality, about her knowing, about her cunningness. So in this situation, she comes to soothe like a mother soothes a child. If you have a festering wound, she will heal it. But also, when we look at all these cards together, compassion, you know, you have it all, but be careful. Watch what's going on. The light will shine in the area you need to deal with. And the mother figure, the woman, the lover, the nice part will come to nurture and heal. So I hope that's helped you guys. And I hope you have a good day, because it is Saturday. And I hope the weather cheers up a bit. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. So wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. House of Verlaine.